Hi friends, welcome to my channel Fitness Solution by Shipon. Today I give you some information about cool down or recovery exercise. After your main exercise, you need to recover your body and stretch your muscle. So you need to know how to give this stretching and recovery exercise and stretch your muscle after completing your exercise. So first I give you one demonstration here. One person is here laying down and is straight body and both legs here. First I give you calf stretch. First to set it here and both legs press inside. This way it takes minimum 15 seconds, more than 13 seconds at a time. So and change now this. Okay, finish this calf stretching and now leg. First, remember this is not perfect. You take your position. Lock and free. Change. Now change the position and deepen back stretch. First, you take form position. Yes. First, take this position and you sit on the hip and both hands back to the head backside, and your both hands fixed to the shoulder and up. In this way you take full body 15 seconds or 13 seconds maximum for the beginner, but okay, finish. So down, take rest, full rest, then again take 15 seconds, again stretch, take position, up. Your hips and backs also stretch at a time, and this is very effective for pain. Now you change your position to front, take back position and both legs takes. Grip the ankle and up and take. Huh? In this way, you stretch your hold on or recovery exercise. Thank you.